In this lesson, we will be learning about verbs. Let's start with the first question. What is a verb? A verb can be a word that is an action or a state of being. Simply put, verbs are doing words. They are words that show what someone or something is doing. For instance, in this sentence, the dog runs fast. What is the dog doing? In this sentence, the dog is running. So the verb would be runs. Let's try another one. Tim rides his bike. In this sentence, what is it that Tim is doing? He's riding. That's right, Tim is riding. So the verb in this sentence would be rides. Now you're getting the hang of it. Let's try another one. Pam will carry that box. In this sentence, what is Pam doing? Pam is carrying the box. That means the verb in this sentence is carry. Great job. I think you can do one more. Let's play at the park. This one doesn't have one specific person. So let's think about what they want to do. We're looking for a doing word. What do they want to do? They want to play. So that means our verb is going to be the word play. Amazing work! When it comes to verbs, I think you have it mastered. Don't stop here. Check out more of our educational videos where you can learn more, including learning about nouns. Be sure to subscribe and be sure to come back for more with Super Smart Kids.